So we're one day after getting this juice, and now it's set up at about 73, 74 degrees. And really in one day, it's pretty amazing. It just is basically lit up. Look at the action that's going on inside. And you can see the bubbling at the top. And this is a muscadine, a grape variety called Carlos. They're light colored. There's another darker colored one called Noble, which that's what this fruit is. And that's what is in that container. It's very red. But every one of these in one day, from when this was juiced yesterday, about midday, you can see the action that's going on in there. And this is the way God intended. Nature is a way of fermentation. There's absolutely nothing in there. I put nothing in there. And I ferment in glass because the properties of the substance of what happens when you ferment is detoxifying and actually wipes out chemicals, detoxes heavy metals, renders pesticides non-detectable. And in light of all those things, I don't want it leaching off metals from stainless steel, which will have nickel, can have chromium, cobalt. If you look the structure of stainless steel, there's a compilation of metals in there. And you don't want to have that in your probiotic health wine. You want probiotic health. And so I ferment in glass, and you can see this liquid appreciates it. Look at that. It's like it's boiling. It's just moving, and they're all like that. Doesn't matter which one, and that's one day. So I wanted you to see that. We'll see the other ones later. The tough thing is to juice. To actually be able to extract the juice from the fruit in any manner that gives you a good amount. I mean, it's quite a bit of work just to get a gallon out if you don't have the proper equipment. And these were done with major commercial equipment. You pretty much need to do that, because when I extracted, even with a small extractor right here, it's a lot of work. It's like mowing a lawn with a push mower that's not even power, like one of the old-fashioned ones. It's tough. So you really want to either have commercial equipment to make any appreciable amount, or a really good-sized basket and a device that actually breaks up the grapes. It crushes them, and that's really what releases all the juices. But you don't want your grapes going through the crusher and only having some of them get crushed and some of them make it through, because you're not going to get, they're going to go to waste. So you want to get all of them crushed. You need good equipment to do that, or you can do it with your hands, your feet, or, potato masher, anything that's going to mash them. But I mean, you can understand why people buy wine at the store, but it's not made in a probiotic positive way like this is being made right now. It's made with yeast, and yeast comes from the fungus family, the mold family. Once you put that in your substance, your juice, it's completely a different drink. It tastes like wine, or what wine was supposed to be. Kind of like a pickle tastes like a preserved, fermented cucumber, but it's actually not. It's just made to taste like it. It doesn't have any of the health benefits. Same with wine, unless you make it like that. And that is the way you have to do it. So stay tuned, and we'll see exactly what happens with this the longer we go. And I'm telling you, that juice is extremely good by itself before it's even fermented, but it's going to be even better later. I mean, is that sitting on a stove or what? It's definitely talking to us. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.